Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create poll in Viber. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Viber's ability to create polls in group chats is a fantastic feature, but many users are unaware of how to utilize it. So we'll fill in the gaps in your knowledge by showing you how to rapidly create your own survey in Viber using an Android smartphone. Tap open Viber application and get logged into it. Now, select a group where you'd like to plan a survey or a poll. For example, let me open up this group over here. Now, in order to start a poll or a survey on your Viber group, simply tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, select Create a Poll from the expanded pop-up. You can create a poll on a quiz mode where participants can only have one right answer. If the members answer the question once, they can't change it. Simply go ahead and add in a question for your poll. For example, let me just type in a random question over here. Once you've typed in your question, go ahead and add in an option for your question right here where it says add option. You can add in up to 10 options over here by tapping on the plus button. Once you've done adding enough answers to your poll question, tap on create at the bottom of the screen, and there you can see that you have created a poll on Viber. Participants can answer your poll question by selecting one of the options over here. That is how you can easily create a poll on Viber on a group conversation. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.